gonna be doing the oil change on a Kia Soul. This is the one that I fixed. So we're gonna need a yoga mat, some ramps. We need to lift that baby up. I think we got enough room, but I think an extra space between the ground and the car will be great. We're gonna need drain pan or drain oil container. We're gonna need my trusty set of ratchets, millimetric and imperial. We're gonna need a funnel, plastic bag for the oil filter and catch some oil with it, a rag so we can clean some oil spill, and trusty gloves. All right. That type of application, we have this little tool. So I recommend that you can get something like this because you're gonna need it. This is handy for that type of situations right there. We're gonna be needing, this is Quaker State SAE 5W-20 full synthetic, extra guard pH 9688 oil filter. So this is the engine, it's just dusty enough. All right, so first thing we do, we're gonna open this up, and here's the type of oil this car needs. It's right there on the top of the cover. All right, so it's there. I'm just gonna leave it loose there. There's the gauge. Also, if you want to remove it just a little bit, right from the get-go, there's a cover right down underneath. Let's keep on going. Here's the oil filter. Here's the oil filter in this little hole. And here's the bolt of the oil. So it seems like we don't have to. All right, that's good to know. Let's do this one. My rag. It's 17. That's enough. There you go. Now let's do the oil filter. Here you go. I recommend using your bag. Do it. So that's dripping. Told you it gets messy. Look. Let's do some cleaning. Okay, there's still some dripping. I really recommend you guys get this thing. See it is hyper tough. I found this at Walmart. Take a look at my video when I bought it. Okay, let's put this thing in there. From pH 9688 again, extra guard. So what you do, get a little bit of oil. Like this. Some people say to actually pour some in there, but yeah. Okay. Let's put the oil.